Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this video we're going to talk about ISRO's journey with the moon. So in this video I'm going to talk about Chandrayaan 1, 2 and 3, about its features and what its mission was. So without wasting any further time, let's begin. Chandrayaan 1 was launched successfully on October 22nd, 2018, and its major function was to orbit the room and map all the mineralogical and photogeographical place of the moon. The spacecraft carried 11 scientific instruments built in UK, USA, Germany, and all over the world. After the successful completion of all the major mission objectives, the orbit has been raised to 200 kilometers during May 2009, and then at August 29, 2009, the connection was lost with the spacecraft. So it was something went wrong with the spacecraft. The launch mass was 1380 kgs and the power was 700 watts. So this was the first date with the moon for ISRO, and it was kind of a successful, like 95% was good, but the remaining 5% it failed the mission. So we can say Chandrayaan 1 was a success. The next meeting with the moon for ISRO was on 22nd July 2019. Chandrayaan 2, the mission of this spacecraft, is a highly complex mission which represents a significant technological leap compared to the previous missions of ISRO. It comprised of an orbital lander and rover. Its main mission was to explore the south part of the moon. As we know, the moon orbits and revolves, but we never see the other side of the moon. So whenever we see the moon, it's only the north side of the moon we're seeing. So to get a better understanding of how the moon is on the other side, the ISRO scientists planned on doing this experiment or this mission. But when the Vikram lander was ready to get separated from the orbiter in preparation for landing, at an altitude of 2.1 kilometer, the communication from the lander to the ground station was lost, and therefore the lander was not successfully placed. But we can't say Chandrayaan 2 was totally a flop, because the orbiter's camera is of the highest quality and will provide high resolution images, which will be immensely useful to the global scientific community. So this is about Chandrayaan 2. Let's talk about Chandrayaan 3. Chandrayaan 3, which was recently launched on 14 July 2023. It is a follow-up mission to Chandrayaan 2, which was mostly a failure. Its main goal or mission is to demonstrate safe and soft landing on lunar surface, which the Chandrayaan 2 failed, and to demonstrate rover roving on the moon, and to conduct in situ scientific experiments. The Chandrayaan 3 experiment, the landing rover, is only going to live for one moon day, lunar day, which is equivalent to 14 Earth days. It is because the landing rover is based on solar energy, and when the sun sets on the moon, it will be the end of the life of the rover. It might live for another day, but not too much. The ISRO scientists are hoping it will work for more time, but it will mostly not. And as you can see in the diagram, how the rover will be deployed, it is a very scientific, it is another scientific jump from Chandrayaan 2. So recently on August 5th, Chandrayaan 3 reached the orbit of the moon's orbit. As we know, the Chandrayaan actually has a different of orbit pattern. It will revolve around the Earth. All Chandrayaanas, not only three, all 1, 2, and 3. It will revolve around the Earth a lot of time, then get launched. It's basically the fundamental where you spin anything on a thread, it will become faster, so you can throw it. Unlike other rockets, such as the Apollo 11, it has a direct trajectory to the moon. This will Apollo 11 was a very, what do you say, budget. It had a large budget. Chandrayaan rockets, they don't have too much budget. They are on low cost, and this is the most efficient way. So if you like this video, please do like, share, and do subscribe. Thank you and bye.